Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be going through on how to cash in via the Versa app. First of all, you need to download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Remember to use the referral code, or you can even use your friends and family's referral code so that both of you guys are able to earn 10 ringgit for each referral. Then once you register, you need to answer a few questions. And once you have answered them, you have to wait for your account to be approved. What you want to look for is Versa Cash or Versa Cash I. Versa Cash is where they provide you a net 4% return as they are having a promotional rate right now, and you are able to withdraw it at any point of time as there is no lock-in period. So there's two types of Versa Cash, which is the Versa Cash and Versa Cash I. Basically, they are both the same. Only thing is that the one with the I is the Sharia compliant. And also do take note that on each Versa Cash, only a maximum of 30,000 will earn the net 4% returns promo. And anything more than that will be receiving a lower market adjusted returns. So if you want to enjoy the 4% returns after your first 30K, just open the other Versa Cash, which is like Versa Cash I. So each of them is available for 30,000 at a maximum of 60,000 to enjoy the net promotional rate of 4%. Once you have this portfolio, all you gotta do is click this add in, Versa Cash, and click in cash in. Just enter the amount. Minimum cash in is 10 ringgit and click proceed. So the process will take up to 2 business days. This and swipe to confirm. Click proceed, and down here you want to select your bank here. Just have selected your bank and then you click agree and continue. Then it will direct you to your bank login page. So from here you just key in your credentials and then basically that's it. Just wait for the 2 working days in order for cash to be deposited into your account. So you may see that they have also the Versa Invest portfolio. I basically personally do not invest in that because I prefer to invest myself separately. Because this Versa Invest, they act as a mutual fund, so they have fees and other stuff. I prefer to invest myself using IBKR in index funds, and I have also proven myself that it was the right decision as I've been making more than the Versa Invest. So yeah, I only park my emergency funds in Versa Cash due to its liquidity and high yield. So basically, that's it on how to invest via Versa, and if you have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.